Hello everyone again. We are going back over to the mall because I went in there and it was an absolute fraghead's paradise. I cannot even describe how exciting it was to just even see the stuff that I got to see in person there. So we are definitely going back. Make sure I locked the car. So apparently they actually have a Saint Laurent store. So it's like Yves Saint Laurent, but without the Yves. And it's like a boutique. And I got a couple of samples in there that are absolutely amazing. And I just might end up buying a bottle. And the Louis Vuitton store was awesome. And I got to try Xerjoff, Roja, Amouage, Montel. I mean, it was just awesome. I'm just gonna stop here for a minute. I'm not gonna be one of those people recording video around other people. I know how annoying that is. But I'll take some pictures and stuff. So I'm gonna try some more fragrances. I got to try Amouage Guidance and Guidance 46, as well as their Attars. I couldn't believe they actually had those. I got to try some Guerlain. I got to try Xerjoff, both Tony Iommi fragrances, as well as Alexandria 2. And I really liked all three of those. I just might buy a bottle of Alexandria 2. And I also got to try Roja, Sweetie Oud, amongst others. So that was exciting. So yeah, I'm going to go back in and take some pictures, try to record some more video. Alright, thanks.